What are you doing?
Man, I can't even think straight. I'm starting to hallucinate.
That is messed up, dog. Why you holding out?
Man, I swear I just saw a UFO.
You gotta share some of that shit with me.
I will, cub.
It's time to flex on them.
It's time to flex on them.
Who got the best weed out this motherfucker? Make some noise.
I think this side got the best weed, guys.
Who got the best weed out here? Make some
This
noise.
side got the best weed.
Let's go. Well, I got the best weed man in the world. His name is Snoop, dog. My weed man got the hook up. He rolling up another pound every time you look up. The big ass joints, the ones that leave you shook up. Got so much weight that now I'm doing push-ups. Push-ups, about to roll a whole book up. Looking for me, I was at the crib doing push-ups. The push-ups, about to roll a whole book up. Looking for me, I was at the crib doing Snoop.
Time 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Working out, cheaping up, creeping up, keeping up with the Joneses. Smoke the zone with my pen pals in my neighborhood. Flavor's good, roll up, put some papers to it. Straight to it, gon' make them do it, that they can do it for sure. Get my left on while get my spliff on for sure. Break bad, stay cool, way cool, roll a dude. Old school, pay my dues, spray these fools, ladies drool. Cause they know what I got. I got a bag of the Saturday pop, and it'll keep you up from Thursday to Saturday night. Say what you like when you smoke with the dog. You had a
Time of your life, not like, hey,
the fatty. Jump in my caddy, pull your seat back. Yep, I know you need that.
let's go.
Let it flow, set it go, incredible. There they go, laying low like tennis-fold on the floor. Yeah,
My weed man got the hook up.
and every time you look up,
Big ass joints, the ones that leave you shook up.
If you smoking papers, make some motherfucking noise. If you smoking blunts, make some motherfucking
Don't even trip, don't really gotta use a scale like an eyeball or zip. So much weight you thinking why this ain't for sale. Weed in my lungs, weed in my nails. She coning joint, I'm rolling weed up myself. Don't ever get my weed from off the shelf or my clothes. I heard Khalifa about to drop some shit. Order those pounds, I got more of those. While my eyes sorta low, not too many when I roll. More arms and gore, though the boys hating. I'm just counting up the money. I just made it what I'm making. Make a nigga make $1 million. Smoking now cause getting high pays. I like my eyes glazed and empty down my ashtray in days. At my house, playing pool in some hot socks. Enjoy rich sweats. I roll a joint, you roll another one next. Can't really name a
If you
nigga
smoking
cold
weed
dead.
right now,
And paper
make
swag, that
some
mean you stole it dead. No, it's a bomb when you hold it in.
my weed man got the hook up. Rolling up another pound every time you look up. Big ass joints, the ones that leave you shook up. So much weight that now we doing push-ups. Push-ups, about to roll a
Let's
whole
show 'em how to do
book
some
up.
push-ups.
For me, I was at the crib doing push-ups. Push-ups, about to roll a whole book up.
Ready?
For me, I was at the
Go,
crib
go, 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 go! Go, go, go! Snoop! Go, go, go! Wiz! Go, 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 go! Snoop! Go, 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 go! Wiz! Go, 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 stop, go!
Who else think they can outsmoke the dog? Put your little hands down. You ain't ready yet.
I almost had you that time,
You
man.
did, nigga. You was working. You was around that last corner, nigga. I was like, uh-oh.
I almost got this nigga, man. Shit.
That shit bomb. I like that filter to that glass shit is cold.
I got a couple more for you
You
in the
do?
back.
That's
You
the
already
last
know.
show.
Yes, sir.